Thank you so much. I appreciate the opportunity to participate in the democratic process. My name is Kelly Smith. I'm a resident of Lincoln. I've lived in Rhode Island for just about 20 years now. I'm here tonight as a private citizen and a parent, but I am also a Unitarian Universalist and a public health researcher, and my faith and my chosen profession compel me to speak out about gun violence. I am very saddened that it has taken yet another mass shooting in a school to finally see some national momentum on sensible gun laws. And as you've heard already, of course, it's the mass shootings that get so much attention, but public health scholars know that mass shootings represent but a small fraction of the annual gun deaths in this country. And a high school friend of mine was actually killed by a disgruntled employee. It was a murder-suicide. He and his wife, by gun, he and his wife were both killed by this employee in Colorado in 2010. This was a guy who had been a real screw-up in high school. And he had gotten his act together and had his own business. And things were going really well for him until this disgruntled employee decided that he wanted to kill Shawn and his wife. And he did that and then turned the gun on himself, left behind Shawn and his wife's daughter. Just last week in Providence, there was a domestic incident, a murder-suicide that left 2 young children orphaned. I couldn't agree more that we need to pay more attention and spend far more money on mental health. I think easy access to guns means more impulsive homicides and suicides, and as well as premeditated violence. And I think that too often mental health programs are defunded and discounted by the same people who say we should be paying more attention to mental health in the wake of gun violence. I think we also need to pay attention to the crisis, particularly crisis of masculinity, that leads so many young people, particularly young men, to be angry and violent and feel disenfranchised. I think that's heartbreaking. And I really appreciate what one of the previous speakers said about let's invest more money in youth employment. Let's spend more time investing in our young people. I think Rhode Island has a chance to be a leader here. I don't think for a second that these bills the bills before the legislature are going to change everything around gun violence in this state. But I think we can signal that we're taking this seriously and that Rhode Island could be a leader. I don't think that responsible gun owners have anything to fear from reasonable gun control legislation. And I thank you for your time.